What is going on, guys? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Dudios S5 True Wireless Earbuds V5. Let's check it out. So here's what we get in the box. Here we have the case with earbuds inside, a Type-C charging cable, different size ear tips, and a manual. The case for these is somewhat large due to the design of the earbuds with the hook to hold them in place around your ear. It has 4 LEDs on the front which display the battery status and a Type-C charging cable on the back. I'm very happy that they went with Type-C, as this definitely makes it easier to use since I can use the same cable as my phone to charge. The lid of the case is magnetic, and when the case is opened, the earbuds themselves turn on and are ready to use. This is a feature that you don't normally find at this price point, and it makes the experience feel more premium. With other earbuds I've tried, they turn on after you take them out, but not straight away from the case opening. Opening the case also displays the level of battery that remains, with each LED representing around 25% charge. When the earbuds turn on and connect to each other, there is a voice prompt you can hear even when they are laying in the case. This is usually not a problem, but sometimes, if you turn them on after you wear them, they may be quite loud. The small indent in the case makes it easy to open, and I haven't experienced any accidental opening in my bag or pocket. The earbuds are held in place magnetically, which I found to be strong but easy to pick up and put away. The metal pins line up, and these charge the earbuds. One thing that takes getting used to is the placement inside the case. The right earbud is actually stored on the left side, and vice versa. Not a big deal, but just something to note. Speaking of the earbuds, these have the classic sports design with a looped rubber section that goes up and behind your ear to keep them in place. These work very well, and I haven't had a single slip up while running. They have a LED which shows when they are on and ready to pair. The circular shiny touchpad is referred to as the multi-function button in the manual. There are a number of touch controls that you can use here for volume, music, and call control. You can also quickly activate your phone's voice assistant with the touch controls. Like I mentioned previously, the earbuds turn on automatically when opening the case, but they can also be manually turned on and off by holding the multi-function button for a couple seconds. I also have the Soundpeats True Wing, and I honestly found the Dudios to be easier to wear. Both of them took a couple tries to get the hang of, but I found it consistently easier to put these on. They are also IPX7 rated, meaning that they can be submerged fully in water, but I wouldn't go testing that out. The audio quality is decent, but not very special. However, using an equalizer, it is very responsive and you can feel the difference immediately. I was surprised how much a little tweaking can do. As a budget pair of earbuds, these give a surprising amount of range once you mess around with the EQ for a bit. They can get quite loud, so you have no issues drowning out the outside sounds. The earbuds can be used in mono or stereo mode, meaning you can use either earbud at the same time without the other. The only issue I had with this was trying to get the mono back to stereo mode. I ended up resetting the earbuds since I couldn't seem to get the pair to connect to each other again.
This is what the earbuds sound like.
In terms of battery life, it is advertised as having 8 hours on the earbuds and another 56 hours in the case. I can't say whether the earbuds actually have 8 hours, since whenever I finish using them, they just go straight back into the case and get charged again. But so far, I haven't had to charge the case yet, so it definitely carries a lot of juice. It is also listed that the case can be charged in 2 hours from empty to full. The Dudios S5 True Wireless Earbuds V5 are a quality pair of earbuds, especially for the price. If you like the ear hook design and don't mind messing with an equalizer, then I think you might want to look into getting these. If you are looking for something that fits in your pocket and is more compact, there are probably better options out there to look at instead. Hopefully this video was helpful, and until next time, don't forget to keep it real.